Hi everyone, let's begin our new video. Meet to learn human emotions. Offended, angry, angry, sleepy, sleepy, thoughtful, thoughtful, happy, happy, sad, sad, proud, proud, disgusted, disgusted, sick, sick, excited, excited, cold, cold, shocked, shocked, confident, confident, surprised, surprised, loved, loved, hot, hot, tired, tired, embarrassed, embarrassed, bored, bored, confused, confused, cry, cry, disappointed, disappointed, sigh, sigh, worried, worried, offended, offended, angry, angry, sleepy. Let's begin our another video. Let's learn daily routine activities. Wake up, wake up, make bed, use washroom, wash hands, brush teeth, brush teeth, take a shower, get dressed, hair comb, hair comb, prayer time, prayer time, blessings of elders, eat breakfast, go to school, study, study, back to home, taking nap, homework, homework, play with friends, watching TV, play outside, play outside, wash hands, dinner with family, take bath and brush, put on pajamas, go to bed, go to bed, read for 15 minutes, story time, story time, sleep, sleep, wake up, wake up, make bed. Let's learn prepositions together. Behind, the cat is behind the refrigerator. Inside, the cake is inside the serving platter. Outside, the monkey is outside the tent. At, I usually study at the library. Among, the turtle is sitting among the caterpillars. Across, the boy is going across the bridge. Over, an airplane is flying over the house. In, the cat is in the basket. Into, she jumped into the pool. Through, this dog cannot pass through this small hole. Around, the bird is flying around the tree. Above, the lamp is hanging above the table. Below, the sun is sinking below the horizon. On, the girl is sitting on the table. Under, the dustbin is under the desk. By, the girl is standing by the tree. Between, the ball is between the books and table. Beside, the rat is beside the cheese. Next to, the dog is sleeping next to the sofa. Up, the girl is climbing up the stairs. Down, the girl is moving down the stairs. Left, here is my left hand. Right, here is my right hand. In front, the children are playing in front of the house. Behind, the cat is behind the refrigerator.